Hello everyone, myself Hital Pathak, a student of English Department, Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singh Ji, Bhavnagar University. In this video, I am going to discuss about the topic film studies and will discuss few frames from the Bollywood movie Iqbal. Before going further, first it is very necessary to know about the definition of film studies. In simple terms, film studies is all about reading a film. So let us try to understand it in a more descriptive way. Film studies is an academic discipline that deals with various historical, theoretical and critical approaches to cinema as an art form or medium. First, I will try to introduce you with the film Iqbal and then try to discuss it with the perspective of film studies. Iqbal is a 2005 Indian Hindi language sports drama film written and directed by Nagesh Kukunoor, cinematography done by Sudeep Chatterjee. The story is about a boy named Iqbal from a remote Indian village, hard of hearing and without speech. Iqbal dreams of playing in the Indian cricket team, and that is the story of the entire film. The film is a very inspiring and motivational one and also received the National Film Award for the best film. The first frame I would like to discuss is of close-up shot. In film studies, shot means any image filled with the camera. Shots can be close, medium, long, low angle, high angle, etc. In the movie Iqbal, the role which is played by Shreyas Talpade. Through the technique of close-up shot, we can clearly see the dreams and aspirations of Iqbal in his eyes, that how badly he wants to become a cricketer as well as wants to play for the Indian cricket team. In the film studies, close-up shots very minutely captured the emotions of an actor which is played by the character. And in this particular film Iqbal, the close-up shot which is very well taken by the director as well as cameraman. The second frame I would like to discuss is of sound. With the reference of film studies, there are two types of sounds, diegetic sound and non-diegetic sound. Diegetic sound is something which emerges from the action on the screen. For example, if someone is playing a musical instrument on the screen and as a viewers or as an audience we heard that sound, so that is known as diegetic sound. On the other side, when there is no one on the screen to create a sound but still we heard that sound, so that is known as non-diegetic, or we can also call it as background sound. So with the reference of film studies, these are the two types of sounds, diegetic and non-diegetic. Now let's see from the reference of Iqbal movie. In the movie Iqbal, as we know that the movie revolves around cricket, so various diegetic sounds related to sports can be heard throughout the film. For example, the cricket ball being hit, then bowled, then the clapping sound from the crowd. So that all sounds can be considered as diegetic sounds. Let us move towards the next frame. The next frame is of mise-en-scene. In film studies, mise-en-scene means a French term that refers to the arrangement of different elements such as characters, props, set, space, etc. within the frame of the imager. In the movie Iqbal, we can see the different standing arrangement of both the characters. The character of Mohit Ji, which is played by Nasruddin Shah, and the another one, the character of Guruji, which is played by Girish Karnad. Through the term of mise-en-scene, the placement of actors within the frame convey their relationship and dynamics and specific highlight emotions. In both the frame, we can see that the position of both the actors changes, and that the purpose for that it highlights the specific emotions between both the characters. When we see the first frame, we didn't know about their relationships with each other, but with the help of second frame, we came to know about that Nasruddin Shah was the student of Guruji, and Guruji was the coach of him. So that is how we can understand the important term of mise-en-scene in film studies with the help of different positions of both the actors. Last and final frame from the movie I would like to discuss is of zooming. In film studies, zooming is mainly of two types, zoom in and zoom out. When the camera moves from distance towards object, that is zoom in, while when the object towards camera, that is zoom out. So that is the explanation of zoom in and zoom out. Now let us see one of the example of zoom out from the movie. So that is all for the video of film studies. I hope that you liked my video. This all are the major terms of film studies, and it is all my interpretations about the movie Iqbal. If you liked my video, please share it, comment it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.